publish books for adults but set the reading age too low, it can give the wrong impression about who your book is for. I was asked this question by Music Skill with Neil. Why do you set the minimum age at 18? I realized this is a good topic for anyone unsure about what age to pick. This small metadata choice isn't just another upload field. It affects how you present your book, protect your readers, and handle publishing in a professional way. When you upload a book, there are many choices to make: title, subtitle, author name, description, keywords, categories, pricing, territories, files, and cover. With so much going on, it's easy to quickly fill in fields like reading age or minimum age without much thought. That's where mistakes can happen. Age settings aren't just about reading difficulty. They show who the book is for. When I publish books for adults, I don't want the metadata to make it look like the book is for kids or teens if it isn't. That's why I set the minimum age at 18 or as close as possible to the adult range. It's not because every book is intense, but because they're written for adult readers. Many authors think reading age is about how simple or complex the writing is. They might say, my book is easy to understand, so maybe I should set the age lower. But readability and audience aren't the same thing. A self-help book can use simple language and still talk about adult problems. A romance can be quick to read, but still for adults. A thriller can have short chapters and plain language, but still have mature themes. So the real question isn't, could a younger person read this, but who is this book really for? That's what matters. Reader expectation matters a lot. When you look at a book, you should quickly know what kind of book it is, who it's for, and if it fits your needs. If your metadata sends mixed signals like an adult cover and description but a younger age range, it feels wrong. Confused readers hesitate and start to wonder if it's for teens or if the content is lighter than it seems. I want to avoid that confusion. If the book is adult nonfiction, I want it to be clear. If it's adult romance, I want it shown as adult romance. I don't want the metadata to make it look like teen fiction. Clear signals help the right reader feel confident about buying. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And if you want to stay updated, turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Young adult is not a lesser category. It's a real market with its own expectations, style, covers, and reader habits. But if you're not writing young adult, don't make your book like it is by mistake. Some authors think setting a younger age will help them reach more people, but more readers aren't better if they're not the right ones. If your book is for adults, you want readers who get the tone, themes, and life experience in the book. It's not about what younger readers can handle. It's about who the book is really for. As authors, we're guiding readers to the right experience. For fiction, age settings shape how readers see the story before they even read a sample. Adult romance and teen romance promises two different things. Adult urban fantasy and young adult fantasy have different expectations for character age, violence, relationships, and emotions. Adult thriller readers expect a different tone than younger readers. If you set the age wrong on a darker story, the book can feel miscategorized before anyone reads it. When readers expect one thing and get another, they usually blame the book, not the metadata. Even a good book can disappoint the wrong reader. Positioning matters before the sale. This is true for nonfiction too. Books on self-publishing, business, spirituality, self-help, or personal growth are often written simply, but that doesn't mean they're for younger readers. A book about author income or building a publishing business is for adults making adult choices. Books on anxiety, inner work, or personal change often draw in adult experience. So even if the writing is easy to follow, The audience can still be adults. I don't lower the minimum age just because a book is simple to read. Clear writing doesn't make a book for children. It just makes it easier for the right readers. Metadata isn't something you fill out quickly. It's how your book communicates. If one part doesn't match the others, the whole listing gets confusing. Take your time when uploading or updating your book. Don't just click through the fields. Think about what each choice tells the reader and retailer. Platforms use your metadata to place your book, and readers use it to decide if it's right for them. I start by thinking about the reader. Who did I write this for? What level of maturity does the content need? Does it cover adult themes? Is it adult fiction, adult nonfiction, or for younger readers? Would I be okay with this book being shown to a younger audience? I don't treat that number as random. I see it as part of the book's promise. If the book is for adults, I want every setting to show that. If you're not sure about your own books, go back and check your age settings. Start with anything clearly for adults: romance, thriller, horror, urban fantasy, paranormal, mystery, or nonfiction with mature themes. Ask yourself if the age range matches your audience, and make sure nothing for adults is aimed at kids or teens by mistake. Then look at your whole listing as a reader would. Does the cover fit the audience? Does the description make the tone clear? Do the categories and keywords help the right reader find it? Does everything work together? The goal is not just one correct field, but a clear listing overall. Some authors worry that saying this book is for adults will make their audience smaller. Clarity doesn't hurt sales. Confusion does. The clearer your book position, the easier it is for the right reader to say yes. You don't need every reader. You need readers who get the tone, want the topic, are ready for the themes, and won't feel misled by your listing. That's how you build trust, and trust matters more than trying to make your book look like it's for everyone. This is why I set the minimum age of my books at 18, or as close to the adult range as the platform allows. It's not about making the book sound dramatic, hiding it, or saying younger readers couldn't understand it. It's about making sure the metadata matches the audience I wrote for. Publishing a book isn't just putting it online. It's about creating a reader experience that starts with the listing. If your books are for adults, don't be careless with age settings. Review them, think them through, and make sure they help the reader, the platform, and your long-term plans. That's how you treat metadata as part of your author business. If you want to keep learning how to make better publishing choices, check out my metadata, keywords, and visibility playlist next. It will show you how your book details, keywords, categories, descriptions, and positioning all work together to help the right readers find your book. Watch the playlist and keep building your publishing system with more clarity and confidence.